see the command split body. How to use split body command and separate this body in two parts. See here, this is now currently only one body, but we want to make it two bodies. So there is a one command, insert feature, there is a one command split body, but first you have to make one partition for it. So select it any plane, front plane, OK, sketch, select normal, create one partition, OK. Now little extrude, only let's say 1 mm, select OK. Now see, it is a partition created. Now we will do one thing, select insert feature and select split. Now trim tool, you have to select the partition. This partition we selected, and here select cut part. Now see, this is body 1, this is body 2. So just select part 1, part 2. Select OK. Now here see body, solid bodies. There are two bodies, one this one and another this body. This second body is included with this partition. So just select this partition, edit feature, and here unmerged result. Select OK. Now see here three bodies. One partition, split body 1, split body 2. So this is the main tool of split body tool. You can split any body, any part from any 3D model. It is very useful tool. I hope you like it.